Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are tonight's entertainment.
Let's put a smile on that face.
Ha, ha, ooh, hee, ha, ha. I thought my jokes were bad. Here's my card. Let's wind the clocks back a year. These cops and lawyers wouldn't dare cross any of you. I mean, what happened? Just your balls drop off? How about a magic trick? Well, hello, be beautiful.
Criminals in his tongues to believe in things. Honor. Respect.
Look at you. What do you believe in, huh? What do you believe in?
I believe whatever doesn't kill you simply makes you a stranger.
It's all part of the plan. If you're good at something, never do it for free.